What's up, tartlets? It's Jen, and today we're going to do a fun video. I'm actually going to recreate my very first Tarteist Pro palette tutorial, which is this palette right here. Mine's really messy, and I actually look like kind of like a floating head right now because my hair is so dark, my backdrop's dark, but it was dark in my first video, so I'm going to recreate that very first look, or should I say remix it, with our brand new Tarteist Pro Remix palette. So whatever shades I used in that very first palette, in that very first tutorial, whatever pans those shades were in, I'm gonna use the same exact pans from this palette. So I don't know what shades those are yet. We're gonna just figure it out as we go, and we're gonna see how this comes out. Make them out really awesome, make them out crazy looking. I don't know, we're gonna find out. How to create a look with our new Tarteist Pro Amazonian Clay palette. Look at me. First, I'm going to start out using the shade Bold and putting it right over my entire lid. Okay, so the first shade is Bold all over the entire lid. All right, that is the bottom shade to the left, which is the second one in. So that is this shade right here, Moonlit. Is an all gold shade, which I actually don't condone putting all over the eye if you're going to be mixing right off the bat, but we're going to do it here. We're going to do it now. What did I do next? Then I'm going to take the shade Indie and I'm going to buff it right into the eye. Alright, so you guys can see Indie was this bottom corner shade. So in this palette, oh geez Louise, okay. So that would be this shade right here, Graffiti, which is this really pretty maroon color. Where did I put that? Then I'm going to take the shade Indie and I'm going to buff it right into the outer corner and crease. Alright, we're going to blend that in the outer corner and crease. Let's see how it comes out. Trendy, and I'm going to apply it right into the center of the lid and just a little bit spaced out along the lash line. Alright, so I took the shade Trendy, which was this bottom corner shade over here, so that would be Create right here in this palette. Alright, it looks like I used a pencil brush and I did it right in the center and then along the lash line and the lower lash line. Okay. Alright, then I took the shade Glam and popped that right into the inner corner of my eye. So the corresponding shade in the Remix palette would be this shade right here, Beat Drop. And this is kind of like a shimmery, charcoaly color, so I don't know how great that's going to look in the inner corner of the eye, but let's find out. Then I went and took this shade, Edgy, right here. It's the bottom center shade. And I buffed it out on the outer corners for a more intense, smoked out look. All right, so the corresponding shade for that would be Mashup, right here. Oh, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look real good. This is kind of reminding me of like Lady Gaga's Applause music video with all like the paint and the crazy colors. Yes, in the other palette, this, you know, concoction does look really good, but here, not so much. All right, we're gonna move on. And there you have it, tartlets. Simple as that. All right, so that was it for that. As much as I had to. I'm gonna pop on some mascara and come in for the tight eye shot, which is what I do in this video. This didn't come out as great as I thought it might, but this palette is absolutely incredible, and there are tons of other shades that I would rather pair together for a look. But yeah, this is just, you know, we're having fun. We remixed my original Tarteist Pro palette look. So thanks guys for hanging out with me, and if you're loving this palette, let me know in the comment section below because it's freaking awesome. The first palette had more of a matte selection, while this one has more of a shimmer selection. All right guys, hope you enjoyed this quick remix tutorial, and until next time, mwah! I just hit something.